Hello everyone. Welcome back to Peak English. This is your favorite English listening channel. I am your narrator. I am very happy to see you. Today we have a very special topic. We are going to learn mall vocabulary. A mall is a big place for shopping. Do you like shopping? Today, you will learn many new words. You will learn how to find stores. You will learn how to talk to store workers. You will also learn about fast food. Do not worry about difficult words. This video is for beginners. The conversation will be very slow. The sentences will be very short. It will be very easy to follow. Today, our friends Alex and Amelia are going shopping. They are at a very big shopping mall. They want to buy new clothes. They also want to eat some pizza. But before we start, here is a challenge. Are you ready for the listening challenge? Listen carefully to their story. Try to answer this question. How much does the Eiffel Tower Lego set cost? And what is the name of the pumpkin candle? I will repeat the question later. Keep the answer in your mind. Now, let's start our story. Let's go to the mall.
Phew, it is very hot today.
Yes, it is. We are in the middle of summer.
The sun is scorching hot.
I am glad we are inside.
Where exactly are we, Amelia?
We are at the Kenwood Town Center. It is an indoor shopping mall.
An indoor mall?
Yes, indoor means inside. All the stores are inside the building.
Oh, it feels so nice and refreshing in here.
Yes, it does.
Why is it so cool inside?
Because this mall has AC.
AC?
Yes, air conditioning. It has lots of cool air to cool us down.
We just entered the main entrance.
Look to your left, Alex.
What is that?
That is a restaurant. It is called the Cheesecake Factory.
Are they famous?
Yes, they are famous for their cheesecake.
Maybe we can eat there later.
Okay, let's start shopping first.
This mall is very big. How do we find the stores?
Look behind you, Alex.
What is that big board?
That is a directory.
A directory? What does it do?
It is a huge map. It shows all the stores inside this mall.
Wow, that is very helpful.
Yes, it makes shopping a lot easier.
The map shows different sections.
Look here, this is the apparel section.
Apparel?
Apparel means clothing. They have apparel for men, and they have apparel for women.
I also see a section for electronics.
And a section for jewelry and eyewear.
This mall has 2 levels.
2 levels?
Yes, the upper level and the lower level.
Most clothing stores are on the upper level.
Let's go to the upper level.
How do we go up?
We can walk up these stairs.
No, I do not want to use the stairs.
We can walk up this huge ramp.
Why do they have a ramp?
It is for people with a disability, like people who use a wheelchair or people who use a cane.
That is very thoughtful, but we do not need the ramp.
Let's use that machine.
What is it called?
It is called an escalator.
Oh, moving stairs.
Yes, let's take the escalator to the upper level.
Alex and Amelia go up the escalator. Now they are on the upper level. What will they see first?
There are so many stores up here.
Look at that little shop in the middle.
That is not a real store.
What is it called?
It is called a kiosk.
A kiosk. What do they sell?
This kiosk sells things for your phone, like phone cases and chargers.
It is a lot smaller compared to a store.
Yes, it is.
Look at that clothing store.
It is called Akira.
They sell clothes just for women. These clothes are very trendy.
Trendy? What does that mean?
Trendy means these clothes are in style.
Everything is pink.
Yes, because the Barbie movie is trendy right now.
Look at that person in the window.
Alex, that is not a real person.
It is not?
No, that is called a mannequin.
A mannequin? Why is it there?
Stores have mannequins to display nice clothes.
I see. It makes me want to buy them.
Let's ask that girl over there about her favorite stores.
Good idea. Let's go say hi.
Excuse me, hi.
Oh, hi, guys.
What is your name?
My name is Tanya.
Hi, Tanya. What are your favorite stores at this mall?
I would say Foot Locker because I like shoes. And Hollister has a lot of good stuff.
What do you normally do here at the mall?
We just chill. We hang out with friends, we walk around, buy stuff, and get food.
Basically just hanging out.
Yes, exactly.
Awesome. Thank you, Tanya.
You're welcome. Have fun.
Tanya likes shoes. Let's go to a shoe store.
Here is one. Let's look inside.
Look at these sandals.
Those are Birkenstocks. They are very popular right now
Why are they popular?
because they're very comfortable for your feet.
They also have Converse shoes here.
And they have Crocs with holes in them.
Oh, look! A video game store.
Let's check it out.
These are games for the newest PS5 console.
How much does a new game cost?
Wow, this video game costs $89.
$89? That is very expensive.
But look at this section. This store sells pre-owned video games.
Pre-owned? What does that mean?
It means people have used these games before, then the store resells them.
Are they cheaper?
Yes, this pre-owned game is only $14.
That is definitely cheaper.
They also have a Nintendo console here. I can use this controller to try out Mario Kart.
We do not have time to play games right now, Alex.
Okay, let's go to the next store.
This store sells athletic gear.
They have Nike, Adidas, and Puma.
Look at these gym shoes. You can also call them sneakers.
These sneakers cost $160.
Wow.
These sweatpants cost $95.
Everything is very expensive here.
Let's go into Macy's.
Oh, Macy's is a department store.
What is a department store?
It is a very large store. It sells clothes, perfume, and cosmetics. It sells almost everything.
I see a Starbucks kiosk inside Macy's.
Yes, Americans love their coffee. They are coffee lovers.
Look at the beauty products over there.
I actually want to buy a new lipstick.
Let's ask that employee for help.
Excuse me, hi.
Hello. How can I help you today?
I am looking for a lipstick, but I want a pink lipstick.
All right. All of our options are right here.
Oh, these are beautiful. Thank you.
You are welcome. Take your time.
Look over there, Amelia. It is a Lego store.
Let's go look at the toys.
Look at this huge set.
It is the Eiffel Tower.
What is the price tag?
It is $629.99.
That is pricey.
And that price does not include the tax.
It can get very expensive. Let's leave.
Do you smell that?
It smells like a candy shop.
It is Bath and Body Works. They sell candles and shampoo.
Look at this weird display. It is a Halloween display with skeletons.
But we are in the month of July.
We are almost 4 months away from Halloween.
I am going to smell this candle.
What is the name of the candle?
Pumpkin pecan waffles.
Does it smell good?
It smells exactly like a pumpkin waffle. I am going to buy this pumpkin that lights up.
Let's go to the cashier counter.
There is no one in line.
How will you pay?
I am going to pay with my phone using Apple Pay.
How much did you spend?
I spent $35.
Next door is Sephora.
They are famous for makeup, but I am not on a shopping spree today. I will skip it.
Let's go into Abercrombie & Fitch. I want to try on this white shirt.
You can try it on at the fitting room. It is also called the dressing room.
I will go to fitting room 107.
Alex goes inside the fitting room. He puts the shirt on.
Amelia, I do not like this shirt.
Is it too small for you?
Yes, it does not fit.
That is okay. Put it back on the hanger.
Okay. Let's check out another store.
Look at the Apple store. It is always busy.
People are buying phones and iPads.
And down there are the luxury brands.
Louis Vuitton, Gucci, and Rolex.
They have a lot of security guards.
Those luxury brands are out of my budget. I cannot afford those items.
Let's go to Nordstrom instead. It is another department store.
They have a lot of things on sale.
On sale?
Yes, on sale means at a reduced price.
Like these boots. They were $170. Now they're $100.
That is a great deal. But look at that machine at the door.
What is it?
It is a security system. It prevents people from shoplifting.
What is shoplifting?
Shoplifting is taking something without paying.
Oh no! That is a crime!
Yes, the alarm will sound if you shoplift.
We always pay for our items.
Amelia, I am very tired now, and my stomach is empty.
Are you hungry, Alex?
Yes, I am.
Me too. Let's go to the food court.
Where is the food court?
It is on the lower level.
How do we go down?
We can use the elevator.
Okay, I will push the elevator button.
They go down in the elevator. They walk out and see the food court.
The food court is huge.
Yes. Normally, real restaurants are by the main exit. But here they have fast food chains and local franchises.
I see a place called Gold Star Chili.
They sell hot dogs with chili and cheese on top. It is called a coney.
They also have Chinese food.
Almost every mall sells Chinese food.
Look at Popeyes and KFC.
They sell a lot of fried chicken. They are main competitors.
Wow. Look at those long lines over there.
Those are for Chick-fil-A and Chipotle. They are two of the most popular franchises in the US.
I do not want to wait in a long line.
Let's go to Sbarro right here.
What kind of food do they sell?
They sell Italian food, like pizza.
Pizza sounds perfect.
Let's look at the price.
It costs $4.99 for one slice of pizza.
Do you think that is cheap or expensive?
I think it is normal.
You can make it a combo with a side and a drink for $8.99.
Let's get the combo! I am very thirsty.
Okay, I will order for us.
Alex and Amelia buy the pizza combo. They sit down at a table to eat.
This pizza is delicious.
Yes, the cheese is perfect.
Today was a great day.
Yes, we explored the whole mall.
We learned the difference between a kiosk and a store.
We saw escalators, elevators, and a directory.
And we saw Halloween stuff in July.
I love my new pumpkin candle.
But now it is time to go home.
Yes, let's go out the exit.
And that is the end of the story. Alex and Amelia are going home now. Did you enjoy our trip to the mall? You learned so many words today. Words like mannequin, fitting room, shoplifting, and budget. Now, let's go back to the listening challenge. Do you remember the question? Here it is again. How much does the Eiffel Tower Lego set cost? And what is the name of the pumpkin candle? Take a moment to think. Do you have the answer? Please write your answer in the comments section below. Please write your answer in English. Writing even a simple sentence helps you practice. It helps you improve your English very much. Don't be shy. Just try your best. If you learned something new today, please give this video a like. Give us a big thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to the Peak English channel. We have many more slow English stories for you. Thank you so much for listening today. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye and happy learning.